Hello, class, and welcome to Dr. Frankenstein's castle.
Igor, what is keeping you?
Sorry, Master. Class, I am glad you are here because today we are creating zombie cupcakes.
Igor! What is keeping you?
Master, I was just explaining what we are trying to do to our guests.
Igor, we haven't got the time. Our experiment is set to expire because it is almost midnight. Now take our guests to the laboratory and get our supplies.
Quickly, class. Let's head down to the laboratory for our supplies. Now let's look at Dr. Frankenstein's master zombie cupcake list. Here we are. 4 naturally born cupcakes. 3 beakers of green ooze. 2 beakers of blue slime. 5 beakers of pink lemonade. 6 cups of sprinkles. 5 pieces of cheese. 1 diamond ring. And 8 students' brains. 8 brains. Now off to the cupboards and drawers in this laboratory to find our supplies. First, the cupcakes. Here we have 10 cupcakes in this drawer, and we need to bring 4 of them to Dr. Frankenstein. How many cupcakes will we have left to eat afterwards? Let's pull out our dry erase boards and write down the number sentence. Wait, let's hear the problem again. If we have 10 cupcakes and we need to bring 4 to Dr. Frankenstein, how many will we have left? You now have 30 seconds to write the number sentence. On the count of 3, please check your boards. 1, 2, 3. Did you have it? It should be 10 minus 4. Now here's another brain buster. What is the answer to that problem? You now have 20 more seconds to solve it. And the answer is, class? Everyone together now, out loud. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you get 6? Mrs. King, were you checking? How about you, Mrs. Bennett? Or Mrs. Freeland? Yes, I'm watching you. And I have a question. How could we have solved that problem without the number sentence? Maybe drawing a picture? It could look something like this. And you could circle all the cupcakes that we are taking away. What if we decided to use tallies? I know Mrs. King is very fond of using tallies. How do they look? Can we draw them out right now? Good. Now, after we have 10 tallies down, we erase 4 of them. Great. And we are now left with our answer, which is 6. Let's move on to some of our other ingredients. How about a couple more? How about the beakers? Quickly, quickly, to the beakers. We haven't got much time. Alright, our ingredient list calls for 3 beakers. And we have a total of 6 beakers here that have green ooze in them. How many beakers of ooze will we have left after this wonderful, crazy experiment? You have 30 seconds to answer it. If you can. I'm waiting. Remember not to show your answers to your neighbor. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you get 3 beakers? 3 beakers is how many we will have left for our next experiment. Okay, let's move on now to our last ingredient that you can help us with. Brains. If there are 10 of you in the classroom and I need 8 brains for my zombie cupcakes, how many brains will be left? I will give you 30 seconds to write down the number sentence. I'm waiting. Hello? Anyone home? Okay. Your number sentence should look like this. 10 minus 8. Those are my 8 brains that I need. Equals... Well, does anyone have the answer? Do you need more time? Okay, I will give you 15 more seconds to give me the answer. And remember, you can use tallies to answer the question. Does anyone have the answer? Your answer should be 2. 2 brains will be left for another experiment. Now let's march on up to Dr. Frankenstein and we will create the zombie cupcakes.
Igor!
Yes.
Where are you, Igor?
I'm right here.
It's past midnight. We cannot create the zombie cupcakes tonight.
But sir, it has...
Why haven't you been up here? It should have taken you only moments to get our ingredients.
I was doing math with the class.
What do you mean you were doing math?
I wanted to make sure they were smart.
I don't pay you for doing math.
I know, but...
I pay you for... Well, I don't pay you. Thank you for visiting, students.
Thank you.
But alas, we will not create the zombie cupcakes tonight.
Oh, Dr. Frankenstein, please cheer up. Please cheer up.
Away, away. Thank you, teachers, for bringing your students on this field trip of my castle. Until next time, this is Dr. Frankenstein
and Igor
signing out.
Goodbye.